So as of the recording of this video, right here, right now, the overall market cap 1.78 trillion, down 2.2% respectively. Okay, so I wanted to real quickly talk to you guys about a few things that I'm seeing that are going on in the marketplace right here, right now, and some things that we've got coming, this coming week. Okay, and so a couple things. Number one, I've added this up. These market caps right here, these bad boys right here make up over 70+% of the overall 1.78 trillion. That is an insane, think about that, insane number. So you betcha they drive Bitcoin and Ethereum. We talk about this, but you always need to be aware of it. They drive the overall market narrative, the overall market condition. When they're down, everything else is down. See how they're down 2.4% as of recording this video? Everything else is following pretty much suit, except for a few little outliers like Terra, things like that. Okay, so this week we've got a couple of major things coming out. Okay, we've got this guy right here. Let me show you. Fed rate hike, PPI inflation, retail sales. What to watch this week? Okay, so this guy right here, Fed rate hike, is probably the big $64 million, or actually and this is a $100 billion opportunity for us in the crypto. Here's what's happening. So the Federal Reserve here in the United States, on Tuesday or Wednesday, I think that's the dates, they're meeting, and they're going to be, we're expecting that they're going to raise the base interest rate, okay? And everybody's pretty much expecting a 50 basis points raise, okay? Now, if that happens, I personally don't expect anything major positive or negative to happen to crypto, okay? Because that's basically, in my opinion, been built into this price. What I mean by built in, I mean that pretty much the market's expecting that, okay? So that's scenario number one. Scenario number two is if the Fed decides to not raise it 50 basis points, but maybe only raise it 25 basis points, that is a massive, big potential positive catalyst for the stock market and crypto, and I think we will take off like a bullet. Okay, so keep your eye on this, and I'll be talking to you and bringing you information on it. The third scenario around the Fed is that they may even not raise the interest rate at all. They might leave it where it's at. If they do that, again, I think a further positive, just massive green candlestick, the overall market just takes off, screams, starts going in a positive way, going up. Okay, so those are all things that can happen, all right? Tuesday or Wednesday, that's when we should know. Now, right here, right now, crypto market is not doing anything, hasn't been doing anything. It's just been kind of like treading water, staying still. It has just been right here. And I think that's where we're going to stay until we get a decision on this federal, this decision from the Fed on the interest rate scenario I've just told you about. Now, you also built into all this, you need to be aware of that the fact we have the Russia-Ukraine war. Now, if the Russians do something completely out of left field, they launch a chemical attack on the Ukraine, which, please God, don't let that happen, okay? Or whatever, prayer you want to offer up in that scenario, please don't let that happen, because that will be a horrific tragedy for the humans for the people that are in Ukraine. I apologize. I was thinking of like humans, dogs, things, animals. That will be horrific, okay? We cannot let that happen, and I hope that simply does not. The fact of the matter is here is that statement about is there going to be potentially a chemical strike, what I'm really saying is that we simply don't know what the Russians are or are not going to do as it relates to this coming week or the next couple of weeks. And so that's creating a tremendous amount of uncertainty in the stock market as well as crypto market. Now you can see that as of recording this video, the futures are looking good. But overall, crypto fear and greed index is rolling up to a 23. It's up a little bit from yesterday. Okay, but that's where we're at, guys. Okay, and I'm not expecting anything major to happen here, outside of this Federal Reserve catalyst that I just mentioned to you, okay? So again, just giving you guys a state of the union of where we're at. I'm going to wrap up with this. In the description link below is iTrust Capital. This is a referral situation. If you use my referral link, you can sign up for free, and if you fund the account with a little bit of money, iTrust Capital will give you $100 into your account. So it's free to sign up, and then if you want to fund it, you can. But what this is, guys, is this is a way to buy and sell crypto in a retirement account. Everybody should have an IRA retirement account because it's a way you can use pre-tax dollars to have a retirement account. And oh, by the way, buy and sell and trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. You can trade anything you want in this bad boy. This is who I use personally myself. And as I said, it's a referral situation. So if you want to, use my referral link down below. All that said, have a good one. Take it easy. Go make some money. I'll see you.